So this is the platform that yourselves, the contractor, will have access to. You could also give the access here to the end client if they want consistent updates with how our handover is progressing. But what you'll see in the middle here is a project status overview. So you'll see the number of packages that were expected, or amount of information that we're expected to receive against what we've actually received. So that's just a quick snapshot into how we're progressing. We can also see by company type. So we can specifically see that Thornbury Surfacing is at 50%, whereas in AJ Gallopin Contracting Flooring, they're at 100%. So more than likely, we're happy to release payments if you have a QS that's working on the project, because we know that we've got all of the information that's needed to move that final stages and ready for PC. We then have our actual file structure on the left-hand side. So what's expected at handover is 2 USB sticks with all of the informations in a file structure seen below. So you would have your project name under demo building. We've then also got all our health and safety information, which is under the health and safety file. We've also got all of our fabric packages. So this could be things such as cladding, blinds, tiling. We have all of our services packages, so thinking M&E. And then finally, all of the certificates for the building will be located in a specific file structure as well. So this is just something that we've built out through the years of experience of delivering these projects and what client expectations typically are. We also have an actions required tab. So this is a tab for the contractor if there's any actions on them, i.e. reviewing the information. It's important to know this is not just a system added to your already probably convoluted tech stack, I imagine, if there's 5 or 6 different systems in. This is more as a read only and a source of finding information on the platform. So for yourself, this is an opportunity to see if there's any information that essentially you need to review in draft 1, as well as if there's any information there that needs to be escalated with some of the trades because we haven't received any of the information. You'll then see we'll have a providers tab. So we'll see where the documents are currently. So as you can see here, we have 92% in the final stage, and then we still have 7% there still left to receive the information. Typically, QSs use this to release payments. So FP Hurley, for example, I mean, it looks like they're almost near the point where that we can release payments for them if we reach 100% of information. But then, say Lusso Interiors, for example, that's someone that would need to consistently chase out to find that information. And then someone in your team, whether that's a document manager, design manager, project manager, will be able to specifically go into different packages to find information if required. So for example, the blinds packages, we can see all of the information's there. We can also download that information and have a snapshot to see what that looks like. We could also break this down by company type as well. So for example, AJ Gallup Contracting Floorings, we can see that there's a lot of information here that's at the final stage. We can change this to decide what the actual stage is going to be. So if we wanted to specifically look at all the items that we've not received, we can click on here and see all of the different companies that are associated with we've not received the information yet. And then we can start drawing things out depending on what the document type is. So we have different sections, obviously, like certificates, drawings, guarantees, warranties. Luckily, we're at 100% across the board here, but typically what you would see is you would see some outstanding items here that would need our input in terms of chasing out with the different trades. And then that could be specifically done by either company or packages, making it very easy to find that information. I guess typically what most contractors will be doing is that this process will just be files and folders on a Dropbox or SharePoint, which makes it very difficult to find where that information is. So having a platform with the searchability that we do have with all of the metadata under each document makes it very easy to find.